more note, there is a way without having to turn them fittings to take these lines out. You can change these lines on the transmission right here. Okay, you slide those off and you should be able to pull them out. There's a way to do it. I can't remember because I changed this line right here and it was fairly easy. You take that off and then you just pop your lines loose and you should be able to have no problems. Of course, put a piece of tape over them or something. You don't want any shit in there. That's the gist of it, guys. When I get to the timing, that'll be next. I'll do that. And when I get that done, I'll get all these torque converter bolts loose. And I'll pull the transmission. Peace. There's Shazbot and all that. You get another video when I do that up there. Right now, I'm going to cover this.